Hi guys. So today I'll be talking about the supplements that I have been taking. First, a disclaimer that I'm by no means a doctor or physician. So do check with your doctor before trying these. And if you're already consuming these supplements, do try this brand now. Moving on. So this is the first supplement, which is vitamin C. We know vitamin C currently is the need of the hour because it helps in immunity boosting. So this have 500 mg in each capsule. I consume two. This is pure plant based, like it's purely avla based vitamin C. Yeah, I've been using this. It's a decent. I keep trying different brands. I will not say that this is the best as of now. It's a decent vitamin C to start with, is what I would say. Moving on, flaxseed oil. I used to consume sea cod oil and salmon oil from the brand Amway. So I decided to give try a vegan oil this time for my omega-3 requirement. Also, flaxseed oil comes with omega-6 too, unlike what sea cod comes with. Sea cod comes with. It is purely it is a pure flaxseed oil. There are no other any other ingredient mixed in it. So we know flaxseed oil has a lot of benefits. You can obviously Google what the benefits are. So I have been using these. As of now, it's going quite well. I'm quite happy with it. My next is ashwagandha. Lately, my job has become very stressful, and considering what is happening currently in the world, I'm suffering from a lot of anxiety. So I was informed by someone that why don't I try ashwagandha. So I have just started it. It's been barely like 3 days. So can't really point out that am I feeling the benefit of it or not. But probably in a couple of months I shall know that how well it has really helped me. So the ashwagandha benefits, one of the benefits are that it helps in better sleeping. I've been having restless sleeps lately. So yeah, that's why I decided to give a try. I do believe in this brand a lot, so I thought trying Organic India over any other brand. Next is women's well-being. So this has 250 capsules, so it will easily last. If you can do one a day, it will easily last for another like 7-8 months. So I've been using it for almost like 5-6 months, and they're still left because I've not been very regular with it. Honestly speaking, for me it has helped. It has helped. I feel that my periods cycles have become better. I will not say that this is definitely gonna help you guys. I'm not sure about that, but it helped me. My cycles are much better now. They say that it helps you reduce inflammation and fluid retention. So I do not have fluid retention my problem, so I will not vouch about that. But if those who have can try this product. As you can see that from the 350 gram mg, that is gram mg, which is available in this capsule. 250 mg is asparagus. There's a lot of benefits of asparagus, what I've heard. Also, it helps in better pregnancy also. Asparagus benefit, one of the benefits is better pregnancy. So I thought there were no harmful ingredients as such, so I decided to give it a try. I am really happy with it. After I finish this bottle, I'm gonna wait for another 3 to 4 months and then start consuming it again, because you should give your body a break. So yeah, these are the 4 supplements. Do you also consume any other supplements? Do let me know what brands, so I can also try from my end. Also, one point I wanted to inform that the price of these supplements are very economical. If you were to divide it into a month consumption or daily consumption, it will be so much cheaper than most of the brands available. And I can really vouch for it because I've been consuming supplements for past 6 to 7 years. So yeah, that is my review from Organic India supplements. Yeah, that is from my end. Thank you guys.